Hello guys again, my name is Andrew of course, and in today's video we are going to use 10 ordinary products that we've got in our kitchen, and I'm going to airtight and watertight with this vacuum sealer. First I'm going to use this coffee. Put it all inside and we can put it here. It's nice, and then next we have some vitamins. Next we have these cereals. Nice. Next we have this liquid, and it is milk. And voila. And next we have these lentils. Next is the rice. And here's the rice. Next is the barley. Next is the sugar. Next is the bay leaves. And next we have the salt. Well guys, that was 10 ordinary things that you've got into your kitchen and you can make it airtight and watertight. I'm sure you can find more products into your kitchen that you can use. Of course, you can use a bigger quantity to seal. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.